Hello guys, and welcome once again to your home decor channel. My name is Glam Designs. Today I have for you a beautiful and a special collaboration with the beautiful Moji style. She is such a sweetheart, you guys. Her channel is beautiful. She has amazing DIYs. And if you're not subscribed to her channel, make sure you do and go there and comment that you came from this channel. With nothing else to say, let us show you guys the 3 DIYs that we created for you. So let's begin. For this first DIY, you will need the smaller size of the boxes that the Dollar Tree carries on the patty section. All the items that I use, I will list them down below. You would also need a pack of these white rocks. Basically, what I'm doing is I'm filling them half or 3/4, and now I take like just white paper, any paper that you had in hand, and I'm going to go ahead and shrink it, and I'm going to add it on the sides. Now I'm using 3 packs of these kind of planters. This one came with like, I think it was butterflies, but I took them off because I want to go for the planter filling. So then I go ahead and add more paper, and all I'm doing is shrinking it and adding it to the sides so it supports these pieces. Once I have enough, I go ahead and top it off with more rocks. I'm doing this because I tried the other way around, and let me tell you guys, it's a little bit too heavy for this box. So this way it balances out, and still you have the rock look that I wanted to go for. And like I said, all we're doing is adding them on the top and adding the finishing touches. And here's how it looks like. I think it came out amazing. It was so easy that I feel like any of us can make these. And if you like it, leave me a comment down below. One of my favorite parts and the looks that I wanted to go here was obviously adding greenery to my decor, and at the same time adding the natural element, which is the rocks, and the marble just brings me peace. So let's move on to DIY number 2. So first you will grab one of these Halloween piece mirror from the Dollar Tree as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the backing. And this is not a mirror, and I will go ahead and remove that skull with acetone or nail polish remover. And then I went ahead and spray painted the frame outside, and I let it dry for like a day. And so now I'm going to go ahead and add the backing to where it belongs, to the back obviously. And I'm doing this adding hot glue just to secure a little bit more. It already secures, but I want it to be a little bit more flat, so I go around with hot glue. Now we grab one of these green mirrors, and what I'm doing it is I'm removing the outside and I'm only using the actual mirror. So I just add hot glue and attach it right in the middle or the center of this frame. Make sure you don't press too hard because these mirrors are very sensitive. So next we'll be using these silver jewels. These ones I picked them up at Walmart, but everybody has them. So I'm going to go ahead and place them first the way I want to glue them. I wanted to add a little extra sparkles, so that's why I'm using them. And let me tell you guys, a lot of you have asked me questions. These are the same mirror frames that I use for my wall art on my living room, and a lot of you asked me a lot of questions. So if you're looking to recreate that wall piece, I recommend you to buy them now, or maybe probably next month. I'm not sure if they're out in the Dollar Tree right now, but it's a Halloween item. And to decorate the middle piece, I'll be using this gorgeous brooch from Totally Dazzle. It comes with a pin on the back, but it comes right off with a wire cutter. And so I just apply hot glue and center it to this little mirror, and that was it. So I ended up making 3 of them because they fit perfectly to the wall where I wanted them. Like I said before, I recreated a similar look. It's gonna pop up right here on the right side of the screen if you want to take a look at that DIY. But I really love adding the brooch and the little extra sparkles on this one. Moving on to DIY number 3, you will need one of these clear trays, and these ones you can find also in the patty section. And I'm using this contact paper to give that marble look from Amazon. I will go ahead and link that below, like everything else. And so what I'm doing is I'm starting from the corners, and I want to cut a piece that fits exactly the center of this tray. Once I have my piece ready and trimmed to size to perfection, I go ahead and remove the peel. I peel it, and then I go ahead and add it to this tray, and it was very easy. Just make sure you squeeze until there's no bubbles. Now we'll be using one of these pack of clear gems, and I have this one around. One will be enough for both sides. So now I go ahead and start gluing them. The easiest way for me was to add glue directly to the tray and then add every diamond gem. So I repeat this until this side of the handle is full of gems. Now we turn it to the other side and repeat the same process facing the opposite way, so the gem will face the tray, the middle of the tray. Obviously we do that with both sides. To finalize it, I'll be using one of these diamond mesh. This is the one that has 4 little lines. It comes in 3 and 4, and I'm just cut it to size, and I'm adding a little bit of hot glue on the corners. That'll be enough. Here's the final result, you guys. I enjoy this tray so much. I think it'll be perfect for your entryway table, coffee table. I'm decorating it here with this pineapple from Walmart, and then my Z Gallery glasses, champagne glasses. And this could just be the perfect accessory to style your coffee table or entryway table in this case, making it also perfect for cocktails, for treats, and much more. And this is it for this video, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're not part of it, I would love to have you here. And make sure to follow me on social media too at Mimi's Designs, and for amazing inspo at Totally Glam Decor. This is it. Thank you all so much for your love and support. Don't forget that I will have a giveaway once I reach 10,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for that. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.